Tokyo, one of the most dynamic and emblematic cities in the world. It spans across several centuries, reflecting an extraordinary journey from its humble beginnings to becoming a global metropolis. We have created this channel, Tokyo, where we will merge the traditional and the most innovative from the city of Tokyo. In the 12th century, on the site that is now Tokyo, there was a small fishing village called Edo, surrounded by rich forests and roaring rivers. Edo was just a spot on the map of ancient Japan. With the construction of Edo Castle in the 16th century, the area began to gain importance. Under the Tokugawa shogunate in the 17th century, Edo transformed into the political center of Japan, growing in size and population. The Meiji Restoration in 1868 marked the beginning of a new era. Edo was renamed Tokyo, the eastern capital, and became the capital of Japan. The city underwent rapid modernization by adopting Western technologies and customs. Tokyo faced major challenges in the 20th century, including the Great Kanto Earthquake of 1923 and the devastation of World War II. However, there is resolution. The city was rebuilt with determination, emerging as a symbol of resilience and renewal. Today, Tokyo is a global city, leading in technology, fashion, and gastronomy. With over 13 million residents, it's a place of contrast where tradition and modernity harmoniously coexist. Looking towards the future, Tokyo continues to innovate and adapt to new challenges. With its rich history and constant evolution, Tokyo promises to continue being a city that captivates and inspires the world.